Welcome. In this video I will show you how to cast phone screen to your Sony TV both on Android and iOS smartphones. So let's start with Android. The only thing that you have to make sure of is that your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So go to your TV settings and then go to network and internet and make sure that the network you see right here, which has the connected status, is the same network that your phone uses. After that, what you're gonna have to do is grab your smartphone, Android smartphone, unlock it, then swipe down the control center or the quick settings menu, whatever you call it, and here find the cast option. That's what we're looking for, and if you don't have it here, you have to either hold your finger down on the control panel and then add this feature, or you can use edit icon, which usually is represented like as a pencil icon, and then find the cast feature on the list and tap on it to add it to your quick settings. Then select this cast option, select your TV, and then you can choose either to cast one application. After selecting this option, you'll proceed to select the app that you want to cast on your device. Or if you want to cast the entire screen of your smartphone, then you're gonna have to expand this list and choose cast entire screen. And to start the screencast, tap cast screen to confirm, and from now on the screen of your Android device will start casting. If you want to stop it, you're gonna have to tap on this red icon you see in the top at the top of your smartphone, and then confirm by clicking stop casting. Now let's switch to iPhones. So iPhones can be mirrored to your TV using AirPlay. So you're gonna have to make sure that your TV supports AirPlay. If your TV is released after 2019 or in 2019, then it most probably supports AirPlay by default. Also, the only TVs that support AirPlay, from what I know, are the ones working on Google or Android TV. So make sure that your device uses that. In my case, my TV actually supports AirPlay as a default source input option. So if I press the input button on the remote control, I'll see AirPlay as one of the default options. And to make sure that it's enabled, open settings on your TV. After that, go to system settings on the sidebar, and once you are in the system settings, navigate down to Apple AirPlay and HomeKit menu. Go to AirPlay and HomeKit settings and make sure that the AirPlay is switched on. If not, switch it on, and after that, just like with the Android devices, you're gonna have to make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network on both devices. And to start streaming the iPhone screen, you have to swipe down the control center on it and tap on this two squares icon, then select your TV. And if it's the first time you're connecting to your TV, or if you reset your Apple devices before, you're gonna have to enter the code you see on your TV screen on your iPhone. So in my case, it's 05885, and then tap OK to confirm. And after that, the screen of your iPhone will be streamed to your TV. Now, it's not the only way that you can stream your iPhone screen, but first of all, let's stop streaming by selecting screen mirroring again, and then either tapping on the TV or on stop mirroring option. We can also mirror some applications that support this feature. For example, YouTube supports this feature. So if you open YouTube, you can tap on this icon, either at the top of your video that you're currently watching on your iPhone, or at the top bar of the YouTube application. Either way, it will start once you tap on it and select your TV, it will start streaming the YouTube video that you're watching, or YouTube itself, and so you'll be able to change the sound volume using your up and down volume buttons on your smartphone. You can play and pause the video, you can switch the video on your iPhone, and if you tap on this icon once again, you'll be able to manage the TV's volume even easier by moving this slider to the right to increase the sound volume and to the left to decrease it. To disable screen mirroring, tap this device, which will change the source to your iPhone, and therefore disable streaming on your TV. And you can also enable voice commands by tapping the microphone icon, or enable D-pad to control your TV remotely using your phone. And that's what you can do in YouTube application. However, there are some other applications on your phone, like Photos application, that lets you stream the photos, and to do that you're gonna have to tap Share, then select AirPlay, then select of course your TV, and once you select your TV, all the photos from your iPhone will be streamed. You can slide them to the next ones, and to stop streaming, just tap on the AirPlay icon in the top right corner of this app, not this one, right here, and then select Turn off AirPlay. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.